The creative energy is flowing at New Horizons Elementary School as the Young Warriors group enjoys learning to play African drums while focusing on following directions and showing respect.
It means like you treat somebody how you want to be treated.
The Young Warriors meet every month with their mentor, Brian Knowles, manager of African, African American, Latino, and Gender Studies at the School District of Palm Beach County. Today's experience made a big impact.
I loved everything, and I loved what I was learning because I learned some words that I never knew before.
The drumming program is presented by Faith's Place Center for Arts Education.
The 3 words that we taught the students today come from the Swahili tongue in Africa. Umoja, which means unity, Kujichagulia, which means self-determination, and Kumba, which means creativity, all of which are needed in learning to play and work cohesively together as a unit.
Everybody go.
I liked them 100%. It made me feel like all of us can do what we want to do, and it can help us. It can help us with our confidence and stuff. It can make us really be superstars.
The New Horizons Young Warriors, building good habits and blazing a path for success.
Everybody say it.
Trisha Shervin reporting for the Education Network, keeping you informed.